We are assembled here this morning for the swearing in of Honorable Justice Simeon Chibuzo Amadi as Chief Judge of Rivers State. With the consent of Your Excellency, may I invite to administer the oath the Chief Registrar of the High Court of Rivers State, Lacey Kobani Busugbe.
Your Excellencies, please permit me to stand on the well-established protocol. As has already been announced, we're here today for the swearing in of Honorable Justice Simeon Chibuzo Amadi as the Chief Judge of Rivers State. My Lord, the Chief Judge Designate, I most respectfully invite you to please come forward to take your oath.
Simeon Chibuzo Amadi, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria through health and God. I, Simeon Chibuzo Amadi, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Chief Judge of Rivers State, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interests to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Lord, the Honorable Chief Judge, please step forward to sign.
My Lord the Chief Judge, who's just recently sworn in, let me thank you and your colleagues, and to say that you've been a magistrate, you've been a chief registrar, so you know what the administration is all about. You are not new. Whatever you do, you must have the fear of God. Whatever you do, you must know there is an opportunity for you to serve. It's not an opportunity for you to use to victimize people. Whether those who wanted it to be chief judge or those who don't want it to be chief judge, it's only God that knows what will happen. When the retired chief judge was to be appointed, you were also online, but you did not get it. But it's at the appointed time, and there's nothing anybody can do. Try as much as you can to surpass the achievements she made. The government is willing to continue with that robust relationship we have had with the judiciary. The same thing applied to the legislature. I believe that whatever position you find yourself, it is for you to contribute and be proud to say, look, while I was there as the chief judge, this was what I did. Not the number of cases alone that you have assigned. Anybody can assign cases. But how far were those cases disposed of? And what is your relationship with your judges and the magistrates? Now that the former chief judge has read out her own achievements, and you were also one of those who read what the judiciary achieved while she was in office. So you too will have to say why you were in office, that this was what you did. Do not be intimidated nobody that's at the helm of leadership that is liked. One thing you must know is that nobody at the helm of leadership that will like you. They like you today because you done something that's favorable to them. Tomorrow you take a decision that's not favorable to them, they'll say things against you. Don't be timid about what the NBA will say about you, but that does not stop you to have a cordial relationship. But you must be firm, because if you are not firm, then you've started failure. As a leader, which you are now, you must be firm in taking decisions. Please let everybody work with you together. If anybody does not do his duty, you are the chief judge, you know what to do. Do not panic. Show that you have leadership. Whether the person was a classmate or not is immaterial. Now the person should see you as a chief judge. Please continue to do the work and make her say to be proud, like she did. Anywhere I go to Abuja, they talk about my chief judge. I still want you to maintain that relationship. Let people talk about you. Maintain a cordial relationship with your colleagues outside. So please, that is the way to do this work, and have your own self-respect, self-dignity. It's very, very important. Don't compromise with anything that you know will affect you tomorrow. Congratulations. After now, I know you're going to host them. After hosting, go and do your work. And make sure you are firm, but you are friendly with people, but stand on the ground, stand on your feet. And so I want to thank you and thank my Lord. Please, if we should not desert him. He still needs some advice. He cannot say he knows it all. Being a chief registrar is different from a chief judge. In a chief registrar, it's just merely admin. So once more, I thank you. Congrats. And please, 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 hit the ground rolling. And let us see that before the end of the year, you have invited us back to come and see what you have done for judiciary. Within the next 6 months, you must set for yourself in this 6 months' time, what will I show that I'm able to do is key for you. Congrats and God bless you.